Ever wondered how you can make gardening fun for your children? Imagine fostering a space where they can learn about nature, cultivate patience, and spark creativity, all while getting their hands a little dirty. So how can you turn this everyday chore into a fun and educational activity for your children? Gardening is not just about digging in the dirt. It's a fantastic way to learn about life. When children plant seeds, they embark on a journey of discovery, learning about different plants and their growth processes. This hands-on experience fosters a sense of responsibility and care as they nurture their plants from seedlings to full bloom. In addition, gardening instills a love for the environment, sowing seeds of conservation for the future. And the best part is, they'll be having so much fun, they won't even realize they're learning. Now that we understand the benefits, how do we make this activity exciting for our young ones? Firstly, consider creating a dedicated space for them in the garden. This will be their own little world, where they can plant, water, and watch their hard work grow. It's like giving them a slice of nature to call their own. Next, let them choose their own plants. Whether it's a sunflower that will tower above them, or strawberries they can't wait to pick and eat, letting them decide gives them a sense of ownership and anticipation. Don't forget about the tools. Using colorful and kid-sized gardening tools can make the task more appealing. It's like their own set of toys, but with a productive twist. And finally, incorporate games into the process. Create a watering schedule and turn it into a challenge, or have a race to see who can weed their section the fastest. Remember, the goal is to make gardening an enjoyable experience, so they'll want to do it again and again. So there you have it. Gardening can be a fun and educational activity for your children. We've covered the numerous benefits and shared tips to keep it exciting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy gardening!